Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today's video is all about going out in style during fall, specifically what to wear for a night out at the bar when it's cool and crisp outside. But you still want to turn heads. We are talking cozy yet chic, trendy but comfortable outfits, perfect for grabbing drinks with friends or heading to a stylish lounge. Let's get into these fall bar ready looks. Let's start with the classic combo that's perfect for a night out, a slip dress layered under a leather jacket. This look is a mix of edgy and feminine and works so well for fall. Choose a satin slip dress in a deep fall color like burgundy or emerald green and layer a black leather jacket over it to keep things cool and weather appropriate. Pair it with ankle boots or sleek knee-high boots for a chic vibe. Add statement earrings or a bold necklace to elevate the look. The leather jacket gives warmth while the slip dress keeps things sexy and stylish. Next up we have got the perfect balance of cozy and cute, a chunky knit sweater paired with a mini skirt. Opt for an oversized turtleneck or cable knit sweater in a neutral shade like beige or cream and tuck it into a fox leather mini skirt or a plaid skirt for a fall vibe. Add some sheer tights and ankle boots or heel ankle knee-high boots to complete the look. You can also throw on a long coat if it's particularly chilly outside. This look is perfect for staying warm but still showing off those legs. If you are going for a sleek, no fuss look, a bodysuit with high-waisted jeans is always a win. Choose a fitted bodysuit in a fall-friendly fabric like ribbed cotton or velvet, something with a deep neckline or off-the-shoulder style to add a little drama. Pair it with high-waisted skinny or straight-leg jeans and heel boots to give the look a sophisticated touch. Layer with a long trench coat or blazer to elevate the outfit even more. Add a belt and a clutch bag for those perfect finishing touches. For those nights when you want to make a bold statement, go for a monochrome outfit with a pop of color. Choose a matching set like black high-waisted pants and a fitted black top and a layer bold statement coat over it. Think deep reds, mustard yellows or even a plaid or animal print coat to add that wow factor. Wear this look with black heels, ankle boots or stilettos to keep the sleek monochrome vibe going. The coat does all the talking while the simple black base keeps things effortlessly chic. Fall nights out call for long sleeve dresses that are both stylish and weather appropriate. Choose a fitted or flowy dress in a deep fall color like olive green, mustard or burnt orange. Pair it with the high boots, either flats or heel depending on your mood. You can go for a ribbed knit dress for something more casual or opt for a wrap dress for a more feminine vibe. A statement belt around the waist and some gold jewelry will take this outfit to the next level. If it's colder, layer with a chic wool coat or a leather jacket. Nothing says fall sophistication like a velvet blazer. Opt for a velvet blazer in a rich hue like navy, maroon or forest green and pair it with matching trousers or black skinny jeans for a polished yet bar ready look. Underneath you can wear a lace cami or fitted bodysuit to keep the outfit sleek and sexy. Finish the look with pointed toe heels or heeled ankle boots. This outfit is perfect if you are heading to a fancier bar or lounge and want to look put together with minimal effort. For a bold, edgy look, try pairing a fox fur jacket with leather pants. This outfit screams confidence and is perfect for a night out. Go for black leather pants or fox leather leggings and pair them with a fitted top like a turtleneck or bodysuit. Layer on a fox fur jacket in a statement color like blush pink or deep maroon for that extra glam factor. Finish the look with sleek heels or ankle boots and you will be ready to turn heads wherever you go. Which outfit was your favorite? Do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Bye for now.